Yeah, I got the scarf and everything on. Not because it's super cold. It's not actually super cold today. It's not too bad. But it's always kind of a cold job anyway if you're in the snowblower, so. I might still be able to work the skis over here. I won't be able to go down this part of the yard too easily, but check out that. It actually got quite a bit of dirt blew into it there. I'm not sure how well that's gonna go. Yeah, I went over there and got myself a nice little solar light to shine on the ski hill. Only problem is, haven't had any actually good skiing days. Lots of animals have been this direction. Hill there's trails, and this is kind of where I was gonna potentially go skiing, up around this corner and up close to the top, down around the corner, and then all the way down here. I think it might go good. It might be decent snow for skiing on. I might see if I can give it a try later on. You never know, might go great. I should at least do some downhill at least once, do some downhill skiing at least once during the winter. So now, main thing I gotta do is I need to get to the house, and I need to go to town, and then maybe after I go to town, maybe I'll get a good chance I can try to ski on that little road. Look at that. We used to have, when we used to live up to Methow, we actually would watch the icicles. And at the corner of the house, the icicle would just kind of grow all winter long, and then once it finally reached the ground, then winter was pretty much over once it finally reached the ground. But down here along the Columbia, it doesn't necessarily do that as much here. I think one year we actually had an icicle reach the ground on the corner of the house, but like I say, that was only once in the 30 years that we pretty much lived here. Yeah, that's kind of a nice little rainbow over there on the left side of the screen. Just heading uphill. Gonna walk uphill. Get plenty of exercise this way. Let's try going down now. Ooh, whoa, whoa, look out. Oh, gravel there. Ooh. Oh, man, that's going to be rough on the old skis here. I can kind of get it packed down a little bit. Maybe I can wait for the next big snow. Maybe that'll work. Guess we made it down the hill. Not going super great. Guess I'll just call it a day. Whoa!